So I got a really good question from a student today about, hey, I'm about a week or week and a half away from my exam, and I've almost finished all the CARS resources from the AAMC. What can I use to practice? So one of the best things you can do is actually redo the question packs, and it kind of depends on your memory. So if you have a really good memory and you can remember the answers that you picked and maybe even why, then you shouldn't repeat it. And probably the best thing you could probably do is maybe review some of the full lengths that you've done previously, or just try a few light third-party resources, kind of like Khan Academy or anything that you feel is closer to the AAMC. But if you have a memory of a goldfish like I do and you don't remember, okay, how I got this answer or why I picked it, it's perfectly fine to redo the Q packs, and it's actually really beneficial to redo them and do them timed. This is great because you can treat them like little mini practice sections for the CARS section. So you can do them timed and you can do them back to back to kind of build that stamina. And all of this helps you figure out, okay, what's the reasoning of the AAMC, and did I actually get this reasoning right? Because the first time that people do the Q packs, they end up making a lot of mistakes, and it's okay, it's a practice tool. But doing it again, especially after waiting maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks, or even a little longer, can help you really solidify the reasoning that you have for the AAMC and see if there's any mistakes that either keep recurring that you want to fix before you take your exam, or if there's anything new that comes up when you're timing yourself, when you're doing passages back to back. And all right, that's a quick CARS tip. Feel free to comment anything that you want to learn about.